Evelyn Boutique may seem like a hidden gem for fashion lovers, offering stylish dresses, sandals, and women's accessories at shockingly low prices with the claim of a store closure sale. But don't let the flashy design and tempting discounts fool you. There's more beneath the surface that every smart shopper should know. At first glance, the website appears professional and loaded with only glowing reviews, which can create a false sense of trust. But a quick look at independent review platforms like Trustpilot tells a completely different story, where many frustrated customers report receiving cheap, low-quality items that look nothing like the product images, and in some cases, not receiving anything at all. Despite claiming to be based in San Francisco, many buyers discover their packages are shipped from warehouses in China, often with long delivery times and poor tracking information. The return process is another major issue. Buyers are expected to pay for international return shipping, which is expensive, and even then, refunds are not always issued, leaving customers stuck with unwanted products and no support. Adding to the concern is the fact that their domain was only registered in March 2025, showing that it's a very new and unestablished business. There's also no phone number or live chat option available, only a generic email address, which rarely gets timely replies. What's worse, many of the product images on their site appear to be copied from other fashion websites, raising serious doubts about the originality and authenticity of their inventory. All these red flags don't necessarily confirm it's a complete scam, but they certainly make it a high-risk store that's difficult to trust. If you're planning to shop at Evelyn Boutique, it's crucial to proceed with extreme caution, as what looks like a great deal today could turn into a frustrating shopping experience tomorrow.